Okay, today we're gonna study about how to find the volume of a prism and a pyramid shapes. I think this is a cone shape. Okay, so first, if you cut a 1 inch square out of each corner of a 8.5 by 11 piece of paper and folded it into a box without a lid, what is the volume of the container? So you had a 8.5 and 11 inches piece of paper, and you cut a corner here with a 1 inch on each, and then you make another folded shape of a rectangular box without a lid. Then because of this portion here, this one will be a new base. The base of this one will be 11 minus 2 inches because each side corner you took out the 1 inch, and then originally it was 11, so 11 minus 2 it will be 9 inches. And then that part right here, which is here, will be 8.5. You took out 2 inches from each corner, so it will be 6.5. So it will be 6.5 inches here, and then the height become a new height. All those things become a height. So 1 inch as a height. So the new box that is made, the prism will be 9 inches and 6.5 inches for the base shape, and then 1 inch for the height. And they're asking for the volume. Volume will be length times width times height because of the perimeter of the base times the area of the base times height. So length times width times height will give you 58.5 inch cube because of volume. And then the next problem. Okay, Stanley has just discovered that the valve on his cement truck failed during the night and that all the contents ran out to form a giant cone of hardened cement. To make an insurance claim, he needs to figure out how much cement is in the cone. So the circumference of its base is 44 feet and it is a 5 feet high. Calculate the volume to the nearest cubic foot. So if I draw a cone shape, I will say this one is a radius and this one is a height. And they said height become a 5 feet, but they gave you the circumference of the base circle is a 44 feet. Circumference is a 2 times pi times r, and that is equal to 44. So r value will be 44 divided by 2 pi. When you do use your calculator, you have to do parentheses for 2 pi. Otherwise, it will give you a wrong value. So be careful when you calculate that. And then our radius to the nearest hundredth for this one will be 7.0028, something like that. But I will round it to the 7 feet. And then to find the volume of the cone formula will be 1/3 base area times height, which is 1/3 shape of the base is a circle, and area of the circle will be pi r square h. So you plug it in, pi times r as a 7 squared, and then height as a 5. Then use your calculator to calculate that. There will be 256.5 5634 cubic feet, and then rounded to the nearest cubic foot, it will be 257 cubic feet.